welcome back to the channel. This is my 2018 Triumph Bobber Black. I got this bike over 2 years ago, and I've got to say, it's a pretty amazing bike. It's not the fastest, but it definitely is one of the coolest bikes on the road. This is a 1200cc parallel twin motorcycle. It's got 6 speeds. It's roughly 76 to 77 horsepower, and it produces 106 newton meters of torque at 4,000 RPMs. Other things include ABS, traction control, cruise control. It has double Brembo brakes in the front and a single Nissan disc brake in the back. I've done some very basic modifications to the bike already. I've basically changed the air filter to high flow filters. I've changed the original exhaust into slip-ons. Drag pipes. I've also removed the catalytic converter, so it breathes a lot better now. And I've done an ECU remap. So what the actual horsepower or amount of torque this bike produces now after the modifications, I don't really know. I don't really have a dyno facility to go to or bring this bike to, and so it's hard to tell. But the way it rides now is completely different from stock. The seating position on this bike is extremely low. You're not sitting on top of the bike, you're kind of sitting in the bike. I find it kind of funny that most people describe this bike as a cruiser. So to me, a cruiser is a bike that you get on and it's kind of relaxing, and you get on the highway and you just cruise along, right? But for me, it's a little bit different. Every time I get on this bike, I find the bobber really aggressive. Like, you get on it and you've got all that torque in your right hand, and you get on it and you just want to throttle this bike. The only way I can really describe it is that this bike just wants to go all the time. It's also not exactly a very light bike. At 255 kilos wet, it's actually reasonably heavy. But all that weight is sort of distributed really well. It's kind of all down low, so the bike's easy to sort of like push left and right. You don't really feel the weight of the bike. The way the bike is set up right now, I think is exactly the way I like it. What else do I want to do to it? I think in the near future I want to change the brake rotors. I don't like the way the original one looks. It's not bad, but I want to just change it up a little bit. I don't want to get too aggressive with the mods. Aesthetically, I want to keep it subtle. I want to basically keep the look of the bike the same. Just change a few things here and there. I'd probably get DNK to have a look at my ECU map again. It's really good at the moment. I've got tons and tons of power, lots of pull on every gear, but I think they can probably fine-tune it just a little bit better. On top of that, there really isn't too much more that I want to do. Oh, I'll probably try to do a conversion on the tire from tube to tubeless. And by that I mean keeping the original rims. I don't want to go for a new set of wheels. I really do like the spoke rims a lot. Okay, we're almost at the end of the video. It wasn't a very long one anyways. I just want to say thank you for watching this video, and if you liked the content that I produced, then please like and follow. It'll really help the channel out. And yeah, thanks for listening to what I had to say about this bike, and I'll catch you on the next video.